It is well known that the amount of money an employee earns is not the only factor that determines their overall compensation. Workers may be willing to accept a lower salary in exchange for better benefits, such as more vacation time, flex time, or a shorter commute. In addition to these specific benefits, workers may also value the overall quality of their work environment. This could include factors such as the company culture, the level of autonomy, and the opportunities for advancement. Ultimately, the decision of whether to accept a higher salary or better job attributes is a personal one. However, it is important for workers to be aware of all of the factors that can contribute to their overall compensation. In a paper published in the American Economic Review in 2023, the authors studied the value of working conditions in the United States and implications for the structure of wages. The authors of this study document substantial variation in working conditions in the United States, present estimates of how workers value these conditions, and assess the impact of working conditions on estimates of wage inequality. They conduct a series of stated preference experiments to estimate workers' willingness to pay for a broad set of working conditions, which is then validated with actual job choices. The study reveals that working conditions exhibit substantial variation, significantly influencing job choice and being fundamental components of workers' compensation. Moreover, the authors find that accounting for differences in preferences for working conditions often exacerbates wage differentials and intensifies measures of wage inequality. The researchers examines the relationship between amenities and wages by charting the average amenity value of workers' jobs against their positions in the wage distribution. The data is categorized into 20 groups, each representing 5% of the sample, utilizing valuations from the logit specification estimated on the full sample. The results indicate a positive correlation between amenity values and wages. Furthermore, it is observed that the mean amenity value rises from 35% of the wage at the lower end of the wage distribution to 45% at the higher end. An intriguing finding is that individuals at the bottom of the wage distribution also possess non-wage amenities that contribute significantly to their overall compensation.